Are you someone who wants to learn how to be a better person? Would you like to live on this planet for a long time? Do you want to shine from the inside out? Would you like to walk into a room and have everybody turn their head because the light that is beaming off of you is so bright and so beautiful that it catches everyone's attention? Do you want to continue to get younger every day? Do you just want to be better looking, healthier, happier, more content, better in bed, a better friend, a better parent, a better child? Would you like to do these things? They're all in all not really that difficult at all.